Want to know how to score the perfect dump trailer rental deal without feeling ripped off or stuck with a sketchy setup? So, when you're looking to rent a dump trailer, start by figuring out exactly what you need it for, like how much weight you'll haul and what kind of terrain it'll see. Always check if the rental company includes maintenance and storage because that can save you a ton of hassle, especially if you're not using it every day. Ask about the rental terms, monthly versus daily rates, and see what fits your budget best. Don't forget to verify if they handle the insurance or if you're responsible for that. Trust me, you want that clear up front. It's super helpful to have a card on file for automatic payments so you don't miss a due date or get hit with late fees. Before you sign anything, ask for reviews or talk to other renters to make sure the company is legit and treats their gear well. If the trailer comes with extras like a tarp or ramps, that's a bonus, so ask about those too. Last thing, keep track of your usage so you know when it's time to return or renew without surprises. One of the biggest mistakes people make with dump trailer rentals is not checking who actually handles maintenance and storage, which can lead to unexpected fees or broken equipment when you need it most. Fix that by clarifying in writing who's responsible and making sure the company has a good rep for upkeep. Another common issue is underestimating the rental cost, because they only look at the daily rate without considering monthly savings or extra charges like insurance and mileage. Always do the math on total cost before committing. The third mistake is ignoring the importance of honest communication with the rental company, especially if something goes wrong. Being upfront and having a contact who responds quickly can save you headaches and money down the line. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually care about their craft and ethics, just like my stonemason boss who made renting that dump trailer hassle-free. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by putting them in front of people who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.